Welcome back to a new video. Today we'd like to show you Trade the Chain. This tool helps you make decisions on your trades, and shows you short-term opportunities, what indicators you have and how to use them most effectively, as well as the price point in my opinion. All of this coming up right now. What I don't like about day trading is that I don't want to stay on the computer for hours searching for trading opportunities. With Trade the Chain you can set up alerts to solve this issue. That will save you a lot of time. And if you're looking for trades by yourself, better get a tool that helps you with it. Most of the AI tools can show you more than 100 coins in just a second. You can never be this fast if you do it manually. Let's log into my account and see what the dashboard looks like. On the top, we have some basic numbers but nothing you wouldn't find on CoinMarketCap. Except for the Bitcoin sentiment. I like this indicator because it tells me if we are overbought or oversold. Then we got the coins with the most tweets on Twitter, and the top gainers and losers. If you scroll all the way down you will find Trade the Chain's most bullish and bearish coins. Let's check out Zcash because they are very bullish on this coin. I looked up the price action one day later. It gained 20%. So that was a good call from the AI. On the top right corner, you find your alerts. This could be a news event or some trading activity. What I like the most is to see when whales are moving their funds. Always keep an eye on these alerts, they can be very useful. Let's move on to the next feature that is perfect if you are a day trader. And therefore we have to go back to our dashboard and select coins. Now we can see the 1 hour projection range. We can sort it by the coins most likely to gain or lose value. Let me zoom in a little. Now I've sorted it by coins most likely to gain value in the next hour. Let's take Crypto.com as an example. Trade the Chain predicts that the price of CRO will range from -1.34% to 4.69%. The green bar indicates which way it's more likely to go. So in this case, it is very likely that CRO will gain a few percentages in the next hour. If you want to go long you want to look for a big green bar. But you can also play the game the other way around. Meaning if we switch to the coins that are most likely to lose value, you can go short. Let me get them in the right order and see what comes up. So DV could lose value in the next hour. That's always how I start when I am looking for a trade. Next, I go to Trading View and take a look at the chart. I let 1 hour pass just to see if Trade the Chain was correct. This time they got it right, but that doesn't mean that they are right all the time. However, if you make a lot of trades you should be profitable. One more thing I want to show you is that you can join the Discord group. This is very valuable because you can learn from other traders. If you want to take trading seriously, try to surround yourself with better people you can learn from. And the Discord group is a great start. Trade the Chain also provides some training videos. It's in their best interest that you become more successful, so you can afford the subscription. And that leads me to the last part of the video. You have 3 different plans if you want to try Trade the Chain. It's the same product but you get a discount if you sign up for 6 months or longer. Let me share my thoughts on this offer. In my opinion, it really comes down to your strategy. I mostly buy and hold. Sometimes I jump in and out of a trade, but I feel that I have to learn more about day trading and chart analysis. If you only want to buy and hold your crypto, $99 is too expensive. I wouldn't get it unless you find 1 or 2 friends to share an account with. On the other hand, if you want to make many trades per day, Trade the Chain is a good tool to start your research. They offer a 14-day money-back guarantee in case you are not happy with the service. Check out the link in the description if you want to try it. Please like and share the video. As always, don't forget to subscribe, and a big thanks for staying until the end.